Hello traders, in this video we're exploring the future MACD indicator for MT4. We'll look at how this enhanced MACD style oscillator appears on the chart, how its histogram and signal line imply changing momentum, and which parameters you can control in the settings. At this point I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Alright, so I'll just check where I have it over here. Alright, remember to allow DLL imports. And there we have it. The future MACD indicator plus visuals in a separate oscillator window beneath the main price chart. Inside this window, you see a series of histogram bars fluctuating above and below a central zero line, together with a moving average signal line that runs through the histogram. When both the histogram bars and the signal line are positioned above zero, the display implies bullish momentum and underlying upward trend bias. When they shift below the zero line, it implies bearish momentum and a downward bias in price movements. Because this version is designed to react faster than the standard MACD, changes in bar height and crossovers around the average line visually suggest early momentum shifts that traders often use for trend following confirmation. As for the indicator settings, let's see what we have. Right, so the fast EMA period controls the responsiveness of the fast moving average that underpins part of the MACD calculation, influencing how quickly the indicator reacts to new price data. Slow EMA period sets the smoothing length for the slower moving average, shaping the broader trend component of the MACD values. Signal line period defines the averaging period for the signal line that overlays the histogram, affecting how smooth or sensitive crossovers appear. Alright, so we can see most of the adjustable parameters we have. You can also choose our preferred colors for how the sub window and the components in the sub window appears. So it fits in perfectly with our underlying MT4 chart theme. So who is this indicator for? The future MACD indicator is geared towards traders who already like MACD style analysis but want a more responsive view of trend and momentum on MT4. It suits those who monitor swing changes, pullbacks, or continuation moves and prefer a visual oscillator-based confirmation tool. The indicator is strictly analytical and does not open or manage trades. As with any momentum tool, it can produce misleading readings during choppy, sideways, or highly volatile conditions, so it works best when combined with additional confirmation such as price action, support and resistance, or broader market contexts. The download link for the future MACD indicator for MT4 is in the description below. You can read more about how it works and how it compares to the standard MACD on the Forex Geek website. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to stay updated with more trading tools and educational contents.